Cabinet has approved the implementation of a new revenue distribution system for the power sector. The new system, dubbed the Cash Waterfall Mechanism, is to address challenges facing the Electricity Company of Ghana (ECG), including payment for power supplied to consumers, which has led to a debt of over $2 billion.
Ghana's cabinet has approved the implementation of a new revenue distribution system for the power sector. It is to be called the Cash Waterfall Mechanism, CWM. This is to address the adverse effect on the inability of the Electricity Company of Ghana to collect payment for power supplied, as well as pay their suppliers for services rendered. According to officials of the Ministry of Energy, ECG fails to collect about 20% of the electricity it bills its consumers with, thereby making it difficult for the company to pay power producers, fuel suppliers and other electricity service providers in the value chain. The new Cash Water Mechanism CWM system would see the crafting of a formula for the equity and predictable distribution of revenue to all stakeholders, with the setting up of an escrow account from which funds would be allocated to power producers, fuel suppliers and other creditors. Energy experts say this would put an end to the present situation where some power producers are given priority when it comes to payment. Since the ECG is unable to meet its revenue collection target, any revenue left is shared by the rest of the entities within their value chain. The failure of ECG to collect revenue for power consumed and subsequent payment to its creditors have led to major difficulties for players in the energy sector. With a huge legacy debt of $2.4 billion sitting on the books of the banking sector as at 31st December 2016, the national economy has also been affected. In another development, Cabinet has directed the Ministry of Energy to ensure that the Electricity Company of Ghana begins the installation of prepaid meters across the country to reduce the system and revenue losses bedeviling its operations. The power distributor is expected to install the meters for at least 95% of its customers.